What is going on, guys? Top of the morning. It is so cold, but yeah, it's been so cold. The rain stopped a little bit today, so we're gonna take the time to go fix something else on the Lexus. I think you guys already know by the title of this video, but yeah, we're putting a new exhaust on it. And by exhaust, I just mean like literally changing the tips. So yeah, let me show you guys. So this is my setup right now. It's an ugly old tip, and as you can tell, it's been burning this. So I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop. They're gonna cut, because it's actually a dual exhaust. They're gonna cut it to fit both. And the exhaust is right here. Sheesh. It's Megan Racing. Oh, I put it backwards. Megan Racing glass pipes. I'm sure I know what you guys are thinking right now. I'm not gonna extend them all the way out here. I'm gonna give them like a little bit poke to poke out to like the bumper. To be a little aggressive, but I'm not gonna be like freaking like stupid long. So yeah, let's get the last cold start with the single exit. Actually, let me turn on the new tail lights for you guys too. If you haven't seen my most recent video, I put on new tail lights. Let's turn these on. Sheesh. It looks so good, guys. For anybody wondering, this is how loud the car is from like the inside with everything up. Windows up and everything. That's with everything up, guys. Literally, it's so loud and I love it. Let's get to the exhaust shop. Maybe I'll give you guys some pops real quick. It's so cold, but we made it to. Let me zoom in for you guys. Empire Exhaust and Customs. Yeah, they have some pretty cool cars here. Oh, I didn't show you guys, but I got the windshield tinted on the Lexus. Sheesh, it looks fire. Let me show you guys. The inside's pretty dark, but you already know that's how I like my tint. Damn, it looks so clean. So, and look who's this. Sheesh. Rudy just pulled up. Look at this man. He just got his exhaust done too. Grab it. Sheesh. Sounds fire. Sheesh. Fresh cut.
Hell yeah, look at that shit. Fucking Edgar, huh?
Oh my god, Rudy. Damn, guys. I want to look at the Wi-Fi. I'm scared. Oh, it hasn't really changed color that much. Oh yeah, it has. It changed gold. That's crazy. Alright, we're about to go get some food. Some comida. Bro, there's no way. I'm going in the front seat.
Bro, look at this.
Get on the other side. Bro, Jesus.
Get on the other
Go on the other side, Justin.
You go on the other
Bro.
side.
Oh my god, I hate going in the back of this. Bro.
I'm stuck. Yo.
New tips. Sheesh.
Sheesh. Color, he said.
Really? They changed color?
Well, I don't know if it was used, but
Bro,
like,
pickles?
I don't know if it was used, but
First
the
day
fucking
kind of
color
nervous.
was-
Rudy and David having on their food. Look at Rudy's on that. Bro. Bro.
Love that shit.
Yeah. First day kind of nervous.
Oh yeah.
Bro, is that chili?
I'm nervous.
Bro. Look at Justin Hauser. He's almost done. Hold start. Sheesh. It's still quiet.
Hella.
Sheesh, guys, look at that.
It looks so fire.
Good. Oh my god, bro.
He cut my Lexus too. This shit's clean as fuck.
Sheesh. Going down, boys.
Man.
Start up. It's so loud, Jesus Christ. This is gonna be so loud, guys. It's so loud, bro. I'm wet. So just pulled up from Empire Exhaust. The windshield tint bussin'. Let's check out the exhaust one more time. Oh my god, look at that C8. Oh my god, bro. I'm glad I went with a little bit of poke. I'm shaking, bro. It's so cold. We got Rudy's car. But yeah, the exhaust looked good. We just pulled up to Muffler Doctor. Another one of the exhaust guys we go to, Empire or Muffler Doctor. Justin's is an inline 6. I think it's a 328i, 335. I can't remember. But he's dual exhaust and he has no resonator, no muffler. It's still quiet. I'm sure you guys seen him in the past videos. So we will check it out right now. He just deleted 2 cats. So let's see how it sounds. I wonder if it's gonna pop. Hopefully it does. There's no way, bro. Look at this man's cats.
Look how dirty these are.
And Edgar in his natural habitat.
Yeah.
Start up.
Alright, go.
What is that? Ah, Rudy, the food is shooting out. Oh, it's dirty water. Jeez, bro. Oh my god. This car sounds so good, bro. Rudy's muffler. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. So that's the exhaust, you know, that's a little bit poke, so it'll be aggressive. The cuts, like, it like basically kind of sits on it, but it's fine because I'm gonna get a rear lip and then we'll adjust it and everything. But yeah, for now it looks hella good. But yeah, that's the exhaust for you guys. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. It's raining, it's pouring. Oh my god. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And yeah, I'll leave the link to my Instagram in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I've been posting the event I'm gonna take the car to. What I've been prepping it for, I've been posting it on my story, so you guys can go ahead and check my Instagram out and you'll probably see the event on my story. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys.
Chopper right beneath me. 8K with the fucking bean, yeah, 3B, smoking on that BG.